Hello guys and welcome back on channel from Zero to Millionaire. Today we're back to crypto quiz on Revolut. Revolut prepared for us new quiz, so I prepared for you answers for this quiz. So go to your account Revolut. If you don't have a Revolut account, I put my referral link in the description of this video. If you create account or you log in, go to section crypto, push button discover, go to section learn, and new cryptocurrency what we can get is SUE. Like you see, I have complete, but I show you how to answer for this quiz. So push of this cryptocurrency learn button, and like you see, we have 4 lessons to read and answer for the quiz. So we start from the first one. Intro to Sui. Read about this. And if you're ready, we can start test. So what key features does Sui provides for blockchain users? All of the above. Which smart contracts programming language does Sui use? Move. What's the relationship between Sui and the Move programming language? Answer 1 and 3. And push button submit. Voila, we have first quiz done. Go to next lesson. Sui architecture. Read about this. And if you're ready, we can start quiz. Which of these statements are true? Compatibility on Sui. All of the above. What makes ownership on Sui different from the other blockchains? It's different associated with the owner. How does Move on Sui create safer apps? All of the above. Submit. Very nice. Quiz number 2 is done. So let's go to lesson number 3. Sui's user experience. Read about this. And if you're ready, we can start the quiz. What is not part of the Sui vision for better user experience UX? Limiting user abilities. What are 2 of the main barriers for users on the blockchain? Wallets and gas fee. Why does Sui provide tools for developers? All of the above. Submit. Nice, we have quiz done and we can go to the last lesson. Sui and the Sui ecosystem. Read about this. And if you're ready, we can start the quiz. What is the Sui token not used for? Proof of work. What type of the apps does Sui support? All of types. In what sectors can Sui be used to build new products and services? All of the above. Submit. Very nice. We finish our crypto course and we get some free cryptocurrency. Now you can sell it, or you can trade for something, or you can left on your Revolut account. What do you do with this cryptocurrency? It depends from you. If you want to see how to answer for the rest of the quiz, go to my blog. There is a web page with all answers, or look on my past videos connected with Revolut. There is all information how to answer for this quiz. If you have any question, put this question below of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see you in the next one.